Welcome guys, welcome to another video, and today we're making some corned beef. Today we're making some corned beef and bread. Here are the list of my ingredients. If this doesn't look like the one that you use, that's okay, but this is what I am using. So today we have corned beef. It doesn't have to be grease. We have onion, black pepper, mayonnaise. That's it. You can also add butter. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add butter yet, but let's see. Let's get into this video. Now what we're gonna do is open this can of corned beef. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the key off. So we take off the key, right? We turn the key upside down. So the key comes like this, we turn it upside down and put it on back, right? Once we put it on back, we're gonna turn the key. And we just turn it all the way until it opens, right? So go all the way around until you reach to the side that you start it, right? Once you reach, you just pop it open, right? Use a knife, just slide it out. I don't know why the corned beef, well, now I said that straight cold. Shit. Let's slide it out. Once you slide it out, you just cut it up. You know, there Jamaica it would come out soft and nice, but because over here cool, it's tough. So you just slice it like you slice up bread. Right, so just so that it's easier for manage. You don't have to do this, but you can if you want to. Just cut it up. And then you add it. So we're going to grate some onion. You can chop up the onion too, but we'll grate some. So you want some onion. We are going with black pepper. We're going with the mayonnaise. It's a hungry man food, so we are going quick and fast. Jamaica corned beef would never put some strength on this, so just press the corned beef. Some people don't warm it up, but if you warm it up, the taste a little bit different. Some people add ketchup to theirs. I don't like ketchup, guys. I don't. So if you like ketchup, go ahead and add a ketchup to your one, but no ketchup for me. I think ketchup take away the taste of food, not in a good way either. So that's what I'm gonna say. It's all about you guys' preference. Alright, I'm gonna go in and add some more mayo. This is dry letter. I don't know if it's make sure I remember if me ever make, no, this is the one if me ever make corned beef apparent. Yes, I did. Alright, so this is how I work with. Guys, I don't really like bell pepper. I just like to use bell pepper because it makes the food look pretty. But since this is going at the bread, I'm not interested. So this is what we work with. So now we have the butter bread, and this is optional. One thing we can't stand is whole heap of bully beef in my sandwich. Some people like it thick, but I guess that's your preference. You just cover the bread. Alright. Cover it. And then we just cut it now. Cut it up now. So we go. I make a Jamaica flag. So we got this up. And then we go here. So. Alright, so can just tap some toothpick in them just to hold them in place, especially if you're doing like you know. And then here you have a sandwich, and you know we have to enjoy some Kool-Aid with that. If you know, show. If you know, you know. Some Shakaberry Kool-Aid. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one, guys.